The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. Confucius. Peel ginger, mince garlic, slice scallion. Small task, behold the armory. Noodles, pork, yasai, sesame paste, chili oil, soy vinegar, peppercorn, garlic, ginger, scallion, peanut stock. Await command, Sun Tzu taught. Who knows when to fight wins. I blend sesame, chili oil, soy, vinegar, pepper, garlic, ginger. Stir until glossy. Ground pork hits scorching wok. I strike the wok. Pork obeys. Add ya chai. Crumble until golden. Noodles enter boiling cauldron. They rebel, but I corral them with swift lift. Elasticity proves discipline. Toss noodles with sauce. Pork, drizzle chili oil. General Tissot does not tolerate soggy noodles. Finish with peppercorn dust. Peanuts. Acceptable. This bowl bears the taste of victory. Execute this command. Serve now. Dismissed.